get my life together, y'all. Alright, I gotta hair up, get on this road, y'all. I gotta get down to Florence, down to Blackjack. I gotta go get a tire put on, y'all. You can't get on this road in Milwaukee with a bald tire. Well, my tire's not even really bald, but it's not in the best, okay? So I gotta make sure going that long distance, I gotta be safe, have that peace of mind. So I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit more when I get up there. Alright, kind of behind this morning, so we gotta ride. I just made it to Blackjack. I had an appointment at 11 o'clock. It's 10:44. I told you I was like pushing it for time. I got a little behind schedule. We're gonna get this tire changed. Before y'all know, I was telling y'all I need a new tire. Ooh, wait. Look, I'm trying to get stuff out. This tour pack come in handy, y'all. I'm glad I got it. Hello. Good. How are you doing? All right. Got my sunglasses. Got my bag. And I'm brushing my hair. I'm gonna get my helmet and stuff. I gotta get everything that I need for now. I'm gonna be sitting here for a little minute because hubby and I both are getting new tires. Back tires, that is. So, let me get this situated real quick, though. Alright, so I'm sitting here. I'm gonna enjoy some popcorn. Pass out popcorn is good too. It's good buttery, salt, good proportions. They just took our bikes back. Tay always looks out for us. Shout out to Tay. Good thing we have extended warranties on our bikes too. We have extended warranties, and hubby has to get his clutch adjustment. It broke, so they have to order that and get that fixed for him. Awesome, I love him. Got to speak to a new sales worker here. He's new. He follows my channel. Shout out to him. Thank you. I'm gonna let him introduce himself. I'll talk to him in a little bit. But y'all come out here to Blackjack. They're very nice down here. You know, shout out to Dan. You know, he was the sales on one of the in the financial department to help me when we got our bikes here. So shout out to him. Like Blackjack, they always show love when we come down here. Right here in Florence, South Carolina. Look, y'all just have to watch out for that Buc-ee's traffic over there. Like, I mean, I don't know when the traffic is not gonna be bad over there, but it's terrible. It's okay because to come here and get the good service and the good hospitality I get here, I love it. Tip Squad, I got somebody to introduce y'all to. What's your name?
Kobe.
Kobe. Right here at Blackjack. You just started here not long ago, right? Look, so look, I told y'all this is where EJ came from. So I bought him from. Y'all make sure y'all come check Kobe out. He gonna get you on. He just sold one just now. Look, he already working hard. So when y'all come in here, ask for Kobe. He gonna get you on the bike. Look, you see that? Look, they got a floor full of bikes in here. So there's no excuse you can't find something you don't like. Okay? Just you need to talk to the right guy, right? All right. Appreciate you, Kobe. All right. Y'all know it's time for me to get something to eat. I had popcorn. I've been sitting here for a little bit. You know, I've talked to some people a little bit. I gotta get me something to eat. Tay, y'all know he works over there in the service department. So his brother, he's out here. He's cooking. He's out here quite often. And he always has some good food. So I'm definitely going to make sure we get over here and get some of this food. Because I'm hungry. And don't y'all judge me. I know I'm always getting some food. But, I mean, cigars, bikes, and food. They all go together, okay? And I got to make sure I get that done. So let me decide what I'm going to get first. Okay? Then y'all know I'm going to show y'all.
Chili.
Sorry, I already took a bite. Look, I have a hot dog, or a brat rather, with the works on it. So, to eat this and continue my journey and see what else we're gonna need for his bike. Okay? Because apparently mine's good. He just be out there, just be riding too hard or something. I don't know. I'm just missing. Y'all, look, I don't know if y'all heard me the last time. My cameraman, he's just been a hater because I made at least one and he didn't record it. But that little wore me out. It's hot out here, so I'm gonna get an icy, y'all. I think I'm gonna get pina colada between that blue raspberry. Maybe pina colada. That's what I'm gonna get. Y'all, look, when I come here, like I said, I get total hospitality. Shout out to Joe. We just sat here and talked to him for a while. He's another salesman here. He's been here since they were at their other location before they moved to this location here right off the highway. So if y'all need another salesman, come check out Joe. Look, all the guys in here are awesome. So you can't go wrong with anybody that you come in here and pick to get you a bike. So we definitely appreciate you guys here at this Harley-Davidson shop here at at Blackjack. Like, even over in service, I forgot to mention Kelvin. He's awesome over there. Like, all the guys here are awesome. Look, we've been walking around here, and I don't know how many times they was like, y'all good? You okay? You know, they ask you, you okay? If you need something, however it may be, but they're all awesome here. So, you can't go wrong. And y'all know when y'all come here, like, I always got to walk around the apparel section and look, the ladies that work over there, they're awesome. They're always as well. If you need some help, you need anything, you know, you just get greeted with good customer service here. So, they're all great. I love you guys here. Almost ready, y'all. Hope you like this is all done. Look, she had to end up getting some brakes and everything. Look, anyway. So, his bike is done. They're getting ready to take mine out on a test ride to make sure everything is well put together. We don't have any hiccups, anything like that. And then guess what? We're ready to get on out of here. I've been here for a good while today. It's right now, it's 1:46, so. But I'm not complaining because, you know, been walking around talking. I had an icy, had some food, had popcorn, had conversations. Other than that, just hanging out, play cornhole, but I did that too. And then DJ's here, I jammed for a little bit for that, y'all know. Got my little jam on a little bit. Alright, y'all. So I'm all done. I'll be back for another day. They're gonna replace my rotors. I had the I have the extended warranty on my bike, so I gotta get my front rotors done. So of course, you know, they gotta get that phone call in place, get everything ordered for that. So I'll have that. I'll be back next week for that. Other than that, y'all, I got my fresh new back tire. Look, I'm getting ready for this 120. So you know what, y'all, I gotta make a video. I'm gonna sit down and be talking about, you know, everything that I'm doing. Make sure I got everything I need. So, you know, get ready for this Milwaukee road trip. But other than that, y'all, that Buc-ee's traffic is still ridiculous. But we get ready to get back on 95, get back to Fayetteville, skip, dropping a hump. You know, this road trip here, it's not even a road trip, but this quick little ride today is just right up the street. So I'm ready to get on. It's hot out here. And I'll catch y'all back in Fayetteville. Just made it back home, y'all. It was a decent little ride. It's out the highway, like, I guess people traveling. We jumped off and kind of hit some back roads to come on in because traffic was kind of ridiculous. So I'm about to just relax for a little bit because I know we're going somewhere else later on tonight. And hang out with the girls for a little bit. And then, like I said, we'll be back out. Right now it's hot, y'all. Y'all probably can see my hair is probably sweaty a little bit. But look, that's the joy of riding. I love it. I'll check in with y'all later. All right, Tip Squad, change of plans. I know I said I was going to be heading out and going somewhere earlier. Neighbors cutting grass out there. But I know I said I was going to be heading out, getting on the bikes to go somewhere else. Well, you know what? Clouds look a little dark. Check the radar. There's supposed to be a rainstorm a little bit later, thunderstorm. I don't feel like riding in the rain. I don't want to ride in the rain. So, you know what? So, I was going to wear this outfit. I'm still going to wear it. I just had to change my shoes up, change a couple little things, and I'm just going to get my truck. I'm going to go to the cigar lounge for a little bit that I frequently visit here in town. I don't know about the other event now because it's raining, but other than that, Tip Squad, I just had to come and close the video out. So I will catch you guys on the next video. Make sure y'all like the video, comment, subscribe if you hadn't done so, y'all. Doesn't cost you a thing to do so. Make sure you subscribe, and Tiffany and Renee will certainly be back. Love you guys. Bye.